In this video, we are going to demonstrate a simple process of locating your profile link on Threads. Make sure to stick around until the end to avoid any potential mistakes. Let's dive in. To begin, open up the Threads app on your device. This is your starting point for accessing your profile link. Once you're in the Threads app, navigate to your profile section. You can usually find this option by tapping on your profile picture or avatar. Within your profile section, you'll notice an option labeled Add Share Profile. Tap on this option to proceed. The Add Share Profile feature allows you to easily share your profile across various social media platforms. If this is your goal, feel free to select the platform of your choice and follow the prompts. However, if you're simply interested in obtaining your profile link, you can stop at the next step. To find your profile URL, choose the Add Copy option. This will automatically copy your profile link to your device's clipboard. Now, if you want to keep your profile link handy, you can manually paste it into a messaging app, note-taking app, or any other platform where you'd like to save it. Just paste the link and you're good to go. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your profile link on Threads. Feel free to save or share your link as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful guides. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.